Mastering action verbs, powering up your English sentences. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial component of the English sentence structure, particularly within the subject-verb-object, or SVO pattern. Our main focus for today is the V in SVO, the verb, specifically action verbs. By the end of this video, you'll understand what action verbs are and how to use them effectively to improve your English writing and speaking. Let's kick things off by answering a basic question. What are action verbs? Action verbs, as the name suggests, are words that express actions. They tell us what a subject is doing in a sentence. They can depict physical actions, like run, jump, swim, or mental actions, such as think, imagine, or wish. Remember, every single sentence in English needs a verb, and often, that verb is an action verb. Now that you know what action verbs are, let's discuss how they fit into the SVO pattern. The SVO pattern is the basic structure of a sentence in English. S stands for subject, V for verb, and O for object. Action verbs, being the V part, are the heart of this pattern. They link the subject, the doer of the action, with the object, the receiver of the action. For example, in the sentence, John plays the piano. John is the subject, plays is the action verb, and the piano is the object. The action verb you choose can greatly impact the meaning of your sentence. It's not just about understanding what action verbs are, but also knowing how to choose the right action verb for your sentence. For example, consider the sentences, "The cat sat on the mat," versus "The cat slept on the mat." Both sentences have the same structure, but changing the action verb changes the meaning of the sentence. So, try to expand your action verb vocabulary to express your thoughts more accurately. Practice is key in mastering action verbs. Try making your own sentences using different action verbs. This will not only help you remember the verbs but also get you comfortable using them in sentences. Well, that's it for today, folks. We've dived deep into the world of action verbs, a key component in the SVO sentence structure. Keep practicing and remember, the more you use these action verbs, the more natural they'll feel. If you keep working on them, you'll be able to power up your English sentences in no time. Happy learning!